Good morning. Today I will show you how to access your lesson plan page using the It's Learning platform. Once you're in the It's Learning platform, you will click on the course that you're looking for. Click on your course. Once you click on your course, access the Plans tab. Click on it. You should be in the Unit 1 Learning Progression 1 right now. You're going to scroll down past the Learning Progression Focus, the Enduring Understanding, all the way down until you see the tab at the bottom that says Plan 1, or it may say 0 plans. You click on it and you will see your plans. When you click Add Plan, it will automatically generate your plans for you. You will need to add in the dates. Under title, you would title it Monday, then Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Under date, you would put that date for Monday. Description, a description as to what you are going to be doing overall for that day. Access the standards by clicking on the Add Standards. Add your resources that you want to put in. You will need to do your opening. What are you going to do at the beginning of your lesson, which would be your mini lesson, or it could be your drill, part of your drill. It could be part of your concept development with your students. Your work session could be you going over part of the problem set with your students, or what it is that the students will be working on. Closing, how are you going to wrap up your lesson with your students? It could also be your exit ticket that you're doing with your students and or your assessment, which could also be your exit ticket for an informal assessment to see what the students know and what they need more assistance on. Small group or differentiated instruction is where you're going to put in the information regarding how are you going to address the needs of your students in a small group setting. What additional support will the students need, and who are those students, and how will they be grouped? I hope this helps. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know and I will assist you further.